Good morning, this your boy Dez, here to bring to you another video of the new Downpipe PRL. Thank you for MAP Performance for helping me find this bad boy, and definitely from Auto Repair for helping me put this on and making sure that everything fit right. And much shout out to them. Definitely look them up. Yes, these guys really helped me out. Shout out to PRL Motorsports as well too. Yes, I can't wait to put this baby on and see how it feels, the next performance and everything. This your boy Dez. Stay tuned for more content, and thank you guys. Love. Shout out to these guys for helping me out. This guy in the gray and red, very good help, man. Very positive guy, very good guy. And if you're in Chicago, check these people out, man. I promise you won't go wrong. Definitely help you out. They got my car up there right now. Got to go and install a PRL Downpipe as well. Yeah, most definitely. This guy, 100% good guy, help you out. Won't BS you, tell you exactly what you need to do, if you can fit, if you can't fit, where to go, who to talk to, whatever. Very good guy. Once again, F and N. Hold on, let me get a second, zoom in. F and N Auto Repair. What up, you guys? It's your boy Dez once again. I finally got it installed, and right now ain't no dash lights on, and it sounds good. If you guys are here right quick. Do need to get a heated shield. That's one thing that I'm missing, is a heated shield for it in case it gets too hot, because what the guy told me that it can get too hot. So I need to contact PRL about that as well too, get a custom made. Let you guys know as well too. But for now, right now, man, I love it. I can tell it's a totally different sound. It's a little bit similar, but it's a deeper, more growl to it, and I can tell it gives me a lot more horsepower than what I usually been getting or feeling. And yeah, man, I just love it. I appreciate you guys from all y'all love and support, even from coming this far to where I was back then. I cannot express it or say it enough for you guys to like hear to understand, man. I really appreciate you guys for all the love and the content and the feedback. Definitely appreciate you guys. So I'm about to turn it into sport right quick so you can hear it as well too and hear the difference. So I'm finna put it in sport right quick and let you know how the way it sounds. So enough content, and just gonna let you enjoy and let you hear the sound and everything from the exhaust. Put this bad boy in sport right quick. Yeah, man, it's definitely, let's see, give it a couple of few revs right here. I haven't got it fully tuned just yet. That is my next project, to get it tuned. I'm not too much worried about the looks and stuff right now. I just want to get it performance wise, get it set up the way that I want it to be set up. instead of worry about how flashy it look and stuff like that. Really trying to make this into a sleeper car. Do a little bit of what I can. Give you guys another rev. To me, it sounds really good, you guys. I cannot express it enough. Definitely more content coming soon. Right now, I got it in manual. We about to see how it sounds in manual. Sounds even better in manual. Man. But I can smell the fumes, though. That's one thing. I can smell like the fumes coming from it. I think that's from the not having the heated shield for the catted downpipe. I think that's what I need to get, the heated shield. That way it won't cause so much heat for the other components for the engine and stuff as well too. Definitely going to need that. I definitely see that being somewhat of an issue. I do see why people say it gives off a little bit of fumes, but it's not like noticeable. It's noticeable to extent, but it's not like unbearable. But I am going to call them up, PRL, call them up and see what can they do. Can I get a custom made heated shield for that, or get one at least made, or figure out where I gotta go and get that done. Other than that, performance, sound, definitely sound nice performance wise as well too. Really can't go wrong. We give off a little bit of a pop, but not too much noticeable, if you guys can hear. Yeah, I'll try to do another rev. But it might not be noticeable that you can hear like the deep little burble pops, but I'm not necessarily really looking for that. I'm just mostly looking for the performance, and if it gets up a lot more, because I feel like it can be better still, in a sense. I still gotta put better tires on here, a few more specs, or a few more mods to it, do a couple of videos for you with driving rides. Just like here, I'm on a regular street right now, so I'm not going too crazy, but I'm definitely am going to see exactly what it can do. But yes, thank you guys once again. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, thank you for watching it. Much love and support. This is your boy Dez. I appreciate you guys. Much love. Peace.